This is NOKIA G22, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the fingerprint screen unlock method. So open settings, enter the security category, then go for the fingerprint, choose the screen lock method that you would like to have as your backup way of unlocking the screen. I'll go with pattern, let's say, then set up whatever screen lock you went for. Set up the notification preferences. Next, and now you can start touching the sensor that is located at the side power button. Just continuously lay and lift your finger onto the scanner until the entire surface of your fingertip will be enrolled. Now everything is finished, so let's test it out and see how fast and snappy it is. As you can see, the scanner works fairly quickly, so well, that's good enough for me. The next option I wanted to show you can find at the display category of settings, so let's quickly enter it. It is called the screen refresh rate, and it allows you to either set its value to be 90 Hz adaptive and get smoother animations and visual experience, or set it to standard value of 60 Hz and reduce the power consumption. So choose whatever benefits are more important to you. Personally, I would myself much likely prefer to have smoother scrolling and animations, even though it will drain my battery a little faster, but well, you do you. The next tip that I have is how you can enable the battery percentage over here. So as you can see, currently the battery icon does not have the battery percentage. In order for me to precisely know how much battery I have left, I will need to roll the notification curtain down, and now the battery percentage is visible. But if you would like to have it over here at all times, you will need to launch settings again, go to the battery category and turn on the battery percentage toggle. The next tip that I have is how you can change the system navigation type. As you could have noticed, up until this point in the video I've been navigating through my system using gestures, but if you want to, you can always set its type to be buttons. So just follow the path that I've just went for, pretty much. Yep. And here you have it. I do personally prefer for the system navigation type to stay at the gestures, but if you are more familiar, or that is more convenient for you to have the digital button navigation type, go for it. And fifth and final tip for today, this one is a performance related. So if you would like to increase your system performance and be able to, for example, have more active apps at the same time without slowing your system down, you can expand the random access memory by going into the memory category of settings and turning on the memory extension toggle. As you can see, that is written right here. This feature allows you to occupy about 2 GB of internal storage and command those those gigabytes to behave as they were virtual RAM, thus taking a hit for the actual built-in RAM you have inside your phone, and just overall expanding your possibilities in terms of multitasking and increasing/improving system performance. So anyway, once you've enabled the toggle I've just shown, you will need to reboot the device, and after that the changes you've made will be applied or will take effect. Alrighty, so that will be not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. We highly appreciate your time and attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.